right, sir. How we doing today?
Oh, pretty good.
Oh, I see you have this beautiful machine here. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
It's a 1951 Ford two-door sedan.
Wow.
Got a 410-inch Windsor in it, four-wheel disc brakes, 9-inch Ford rear end. It's all been redone.
Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. So how long you had it?
Since 2012.
Wow.
Took 4 years to do. You can open the door and take a picture of the interior.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Wow, this is wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Wow. That is so beautiful. It's like a moment in time, baby. Now that's solid there.
Pardon?
I said that's real solid there. You ain't gonna find nothing solid like that talking about it no more. Yes, it's very beautiful. I like the curves and the body style is just wow. That's all I can say, just wow. And I thank you so much for your time and letting us see you around. Thank you.